Hello and welcome back on No Limit Tech again. So guys, in today's video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Mi Wi-Fi extender. So yeah, and I'm going to show you how to install the application and do the all setup so to make this device work perfectly with you. So let's get started. So yeah, welcome back again, and yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you are not already done it. So as you see, this is the box of the Wi-Fi extender. Yeah, so this is the just a little information about the extender and etc. And they say it's gonna give you like for 300 megabyte, but I'm 100 sure and it's never gonna arrive to that level. So this is the manual. So as you see, this one is for the warranty, and then this is our device. I chose the European one with the outlet socket European one. So this is it. This is what we found in this box. Just the manual and the device. Okay. So all what we have to do now just to plug this device to the outlet. But before you do that, don't forget to download the application of the Mi Home and install it, then create an account if you don't already have one, then plug this device. So that way it's gonna be much easier for you guys, because if you plug it and then download the application and start doing all this process, it might not be visible when you do the scan. So I recommend you guys to download the application and create the account and then plug the device. And if it don't work with you guys, there is a little hole under the device, so reset it. Keep pushing for 5 seconds till you see the yellow light, and then release, and then do the step from the beginning. So as you see here, if you already have an account, so skip this part. So now all you have to do, just go to this section in the application, click create an account, then select your region. I'm going to select Italy, and yeah, and then you will receive an email to your email address. All you have to do just to confirm it and do the verification, and that's it. So as you see guys, I received the verification email. Click on activate account, open it with Google or with your browsers, Google Chrome. It's gonna take a few seconds to load. Yeah, so as you see guys here, create my account, registration complete. They give you a kind of your email and some digits. Then you have to do, all you have to do, just close the application and sign in again. Put your email and your password. Cool. So now we are signing in the application. So don't forget to close the application and sign in from the beginning. And then go on the top, click on the plus button, and then wait a few seconds till it's appear the device over here. So as you see, the Mi Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro. Click on it and then click connect to another router and select your router, your Wi-Fi, your home Wi-Fi router that you are using. If it's a TP-Link, it's dependent on the one, and then put the password in everything and then click on OK. So after you do that, just click on I have agreed to the user agreement, etc., and then click on next. So after you've done all the steps shown in the video, select the recommended room, for example, living room, and name it as you want. Nice. So as you see, now we did it all the steps successfully. So as you see here, this is the name of our network dash plus. So this is the new Wi-Fi name that we have. So we can change it to the name that we want to show up. For example, I'm going to show to name it Home Wi-Fi 1, but then put the password that you want. But I think in the password you cannot put some symbols, etc. Just capital letters and minimal ones and some numbers. So that's it. So yeah, and then save the settings that you have done. So as you see, guys, I'm connected with my home network. Now I'm going to try the new Wi-Fi name, which I call it Home Wi-Fi 1, and to see if it's work. Let's put our password. And yeah, so as you see, guys, over here it's connected. So that's good. Now I'm going to try the speed test of the Mi device and my router. So I'm going to use the website fast.com. So now I'm connecting to my home network Wi-Fi. So as you see, it's arrived for 90 to 83 megabytes per second. Now I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi extender to see its speed. So as you see, guys, the speed it's not that's so good, even if it's near the router and just 2 meters, and you see 25 maximum of 91 megabyte per second. So that's bad. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.